long time no see. First of all, I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Año. Hope this year brings you a lot of health, happiness, and adventures. And yes, we've been MIA for a while. We haven't uploaded a van build video in a while. So I'm just gonna give you a little recap of what we did on the past maybe 2 weeks. And let me show you. Don't go anywhere. We used 2x4s and 3 wood screws. Over here, we're gonna do support legs. Vamos a ponerle 3 patas de support para el bed frame. Since we uploaded this video right here. If you haven't watched that video, please go over here, right here I think, and watch our first video ever. And thank you so much for all the support on that video. It means a lot to us. Some insulation here en la puerta de atrás de la guagua. Now I'm just gonna put the lid back up. In the future, the plan is to just make it nice and pretty, but for right now, this is going in and then the lid. And after that, when we have extra time, and then we'll make it nice and pretty. But as for right now, that's what we have. That's what we're gonna do, because we need to do a lot more than just this. So, si se queda por ahora, después lo vamos a hacer súper lindo, con maderita y toda cosa, pero ahora tenemos muchas cosas que hacer, así que esto es más importante que just la puerta. That's done. Now, hacer el otro lado. Sorry for the light, but it's nighttime. We're about to drill another hole for the 30 amp shore power inlet. We're gonna use this cajita, and I cannot open it with one hand. I got it. So this is gonna go right here. Otro roto más. Vamos a ver cómo nos va. You ready? You ready to make another hole?
Always ready.
Always ready to make a hole. This is the area that we're gonna make the hole, where this is gonna go right here. So we're just gonna do a pilot hole right here, so we can go to the outside and then drill the hole. All right, so we did the pilot hole, and we put this bag here with painter's tape because we don't want all the los metales to be all over the, you know, all over the place. All right, we also covered this with tape. That way, when we're doing the hole, we don't scratch anything else around it. Vamos a estar usando a 2-inch hole saw. Y let's drill. There you go, babe. That was fast. Okay. Do you see what I'm saying? All that stuff. Hey! Peekaboo. Now we just have to file it down, paint it, that way we don't get any rust on it, and then do the other stuff. Okay. Woo-hoo. We put the wires first before putting the screws, because once you put the screws and then you have to put the wires from the inside, it's a little bit uncomfortable to do so, and you have to move this around so you can fit the wires pretty good. So we did the wires and then we put this through. Ahora we're about to put los tornillos. Put some butyl tape around the screws just to make sure that there's no water coming in. Now I'm gonna remove this. Good job. All right, so then you get this adapter if you are on a campsite, and then you need to convert this from 30 to 15 amp. Yes. Good job, babe. All right, guys, that is it for today. A little recap. I did insulation for the back doors. Hicimos insulación en las puertas de atrás. And then we also did the shore power, and next weekend or tomorrow we're gonna work on our next fan, and that's it. So thanks for being here, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Bye. We are gonna try this 2022 to upload a new video every week, or at least once every 2 weeks. Anyways, I want to try my best. It's a lot of work. Thanks for being here. Thank you for all the kind messages asking us if we were doing okay and what was the update on the build. So we're here, we're not going anywhere, and we have good things coming this year. So don't go anywhere, stay here. That's the goal for 2022. Upload a video once a week. I should take that back, right?